If you're ready to move from solo designer to agency owner, it's time to start thinking and showing up like a brand. You're not just selling websites anymore, you're selling a process, a team, a promise. In this lesson, I'll show you how to build a brand that attracts higher paying clients, stands out in a crowded market, and sets your agency up for long-term growth. Step 1. Define what your agency stands for. Before you design anything, get clear on your positioning. Ask, who do you serve best? What results do you deliver? What do you want to be known for? Examples. We build fast conversion-optimized sites for SaaS startups. We help health coaches build trust and book more clients. We create modern brand and web experiences for bold founders. Your brand starts with your focus. Step 2. Choose a name and voice that align. You don't have to call it Your Name Design Co. Think about names that reflect your vibe, values, or ideal clients. Keep it short, pronounceable, and available as a domain and handle. Then decide on your tone. Friendly or formal? Bold or minimal? Strategic or artistic? This voice should show up in your website, proposals, emails, and social media. Step 3. Design your identity. Once your positioning and voice are clear, build a simple, consistent visual identity. You need a primary logo and a simple wordmark or icon version, brand fonts and colors, clear rules for imagery and layout, a clean modern website that reflects your value. Tools like Canva, Figma, or working with a branding designer can help you pull it together quickly. Step 4. Build an agency-level portfolio. Clients want to see proof. Even if you've done the work yourself, present it under the agency brand. Frame it as a process and a result, not just pretty pictures. Show what problem you solved, what your process looked like, what results it created. A testimonial or quote. Treat every past project as an asset, because it is. Step 5. Shift from I to we. This is one of the biggest mindset shifts. Even if you're still working solo or with freelancers, start speaking as a team. We work with clients our process is, here's what we recommend. It builds trust and authority and gets clients thinking long-term. Step 6. Market like a brand, not a freelancer. Update your digital presence to match your new identity. Website with team and process-focused messaging. Social content that educates and attracts your niche. Branded proposals and emails. A lead magnet or free audit offer. The more consistent your brand looks and sounds, the more credible and premium you appear. You don't need a big team to start an agency brand. You just need a clear message, a confident presence, and a process that delivers. In the final lesson, we'll talk about crafting your long-term vision so you can grow your web design business in a way that fits your goals, your lifestyle, and your future.